Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, I don't know this is the SeNTEnCeD. And right about now I'm about to show you something that is just not normal, and this is one of the reasons why some people don't trust police officers, or should I say the law enforcers, because of some of the things that some police officers do. Alright, now this is about 3 police officers that they call rogue cops right about now, where these 3 police officers has been given a suspended prison term sentence. Each one get 3 years suspended prison term sentences, and they are also fined $250,000 each for Corruption Act and more things and so forth. You see me? Right? But the $250,000 for the Corruption Act. Now this has been an ongoing case for some while, right? So on the 5th of August 2017, right, a bus that was leaving Montego Bay was stopped by these 3 police officers that went and searched the bus. When them searched the bus, they found a gun in a teenager's bag, right? So they put the teen in the back of their service vehicle and have him driving around for quite a while, right? It has been reported that the police officer then look at the teen while driving him around for the whole day, asking him that what him can do for himself, right? That's when the teenager decided to take the phone and call his mother. And while he was talking to his mother, one of the police officers took the phone from the young man and said to the mother that they are going to kill her son unless the mother, pays them, the police, $2 million. Now, a mother's instinct, she quickly get into action and went to the Santa Cruz police station in St. Elizabeth and reported what has been said to her on the phone from the police officers. Now, the Santa Cruz police officers then told the mother to call these policemen and arrange for them to meet her at a certain place, as if she's going to pay them the $2 million, right? So it would be a bust, like a setup. However, when the Santa Cruz police left with the lady to meet these police officers at the place where them said they are going to meet, when she arrived and when they arrived, they realized that it seems like they have been set up. So they drove off and leave the scene immediately. When them drive off and leave the scene now, they then take the gun from out of the teen's bag, throw it away, and put 2 knives and a scissors in the bag, right? And then them tell the teen that he should not say anything. And these are all reports that have been made. These are statements that have been made, right? Now, it was not until 7 a.m. the other morning, right? It has been reported that it was 7 a.m. the next day before the mother saw her son, right, with the 3 police officers in a police station that is located in Westmoreland, right? Yeah, and that is when the Santa Cruz police and other police officers, arrested these 3 police officers, and they were charged for Corruption Act, extortion, and more things. Alright, it has also been reported that earlier this year, 2019, they have also confessed to the crime. So viewers and subscribers, I bring these things to show you what's going on in Jamaica at times, right? These are some of the things why some people don't trust police officers, right? And I'm not saying that all police officers is bad, but these are things that the public need to hear, and these are things that need to be adjusted and fixed within the law enforcers, that organization that is known as the JCF and the JDF and all these things, because there's a lot of corruption been going on over the years. Alright, but anyways, I don't know me SeNTEnCeD. I'm going to keep on up to date and posting, make on hear what I go on. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is SeNTEnCeD. Big up on yourself.